In this video, we're going to show you how to build a treatment package, sell a course of treatments as one simple, discounted plan, and let AI draft the plan for you. A treatment package is a course of treatments sold as one plan. Think 6 laser sessions, 3 weeks apart, at one price that saves the patient money. And now, Velastria can draft the whole plan for you from the consultation. Let's build one together. Every package begins life as a proposal. Here's one we've started for Melanie. A proposal really only needs 2 things: the treatment you are proposing and its price. In the Add a Procedure box, start typing the treatment. Here, a course of laser hair removal. Pick it from the list and it drops straight in, with its price filled in for you. Our course comes to £1,200. That is a complete proposal, a treatment, and a price. Now, at the bottom, the Build as Package button turns it into a plan the patient pays for over time. This is the package builder. Everything about the plan lives on this one page, with a running summary down the right-hand side. Let's work through it from the top. Right at the top is the treatment plan itself, the words your patient will read. You can write this by hand, but you don't have to. Velastria can draft it 3 ways: from the consultation, from you speaking it out loud, or written yourself. Let's build it from the consultation. Click Build from Consultation, and Velastria reads the notes and transcript from Melanie's appointment. In a few seconds, it writes a warm, plain English plan, speaking directly to the patient, and proposes the course of sessions underneath. It reads the consultation, so it already knows this is a 6-session laser course. And there it is, a clear personal plan in Melanie's own consultation, ready for you to read over and adjust. If you'd rather, you could dictate it out loud or simply write it yourself. Whatever the AI drafts is always yours to edit. Underneath, the plan has proposed 6 sessions, 3 weeks apart. You can add or remove sessions with these buttons, and for each one choose the treatment and how far apart they run. The target dates in this timeline work themselves out as you go. Now the price. On their own, the 6 sessions would add up to £1,200. Set the package total to £960, and Velastria shows the patient saves £240, a 20% discount. Underneath, you can see how much is earned each time a session is completed, then how the patient pays. Here they pay half up front, and a little each time they book one of the remaining sessions. Velastria spells it out in plain English. Remember, when they pay is separate from when you earn it. You can also give the package an expiry, so the patient completes their course within, say, 12 months of starting. And here's the lovely part. This is exactly how the plan looks to your patient: their sessions, the total, the saving, and what they pay today. Clear and reassuring. Down the right, this checklist keeps you right, and once every item has a tick, your plan is ready to share. Click Share with Patient, and Velastria does something important. Before anything is sent, it shows you the exact email the patient will receive. Here it is, the treatment plan, laid out beautifully, with the sessions and a button through to the patient's own portal. You read it over, and only when you are happy do you approve and send. Nothing reaches the patient until you say so. We'll close this for now, without sending. Once a package is live, this is where you run it. Every session is listed, each with its own book button for when the patient is ready. Booking one is quick, just a date, a time, and who is seeing them. We'll close that for now. You can record a payment taken at the desk, cash, card machine, or bank transfer, or send the patient a secure link to pay online. And this summary keeps track of it all: how many sessions are done, how much you've collected, and how much you've actually earned so far. The money is earned only as each treatment is completed, so your books are always right. And that is a treatment package. Start from a proposal, click Build as Package. Then let Velastria draft the plan from the consultation, set the sessions, the price, and the payments, and review the email before you share it. After that, you book and collect from the Manage page, while Velastria keeps the money straight.